Hello, 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 hello. Those who want to join, tell me you have already joined. Hello, 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 coming.
Just wanted to report that we are back.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
What kind of mistake? You tell
Uh,
me.
yeah, yeah, I think so. Okay. Hello, hello. Hello? 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 No one is bothering to solve this question for you. Right now, I can solve it for you. Right now. Hello? I can solve it for you. Just indicate right now that you want me to solve this for you. I can solve it right away. Are you there? Are you there? Are you there? I can solve it for you right away. Just indicate that you want me to solve it for you. Can solve it for you right away. Yeah. So I'm solving it right away. You know, this is the, you can make comments. This is the question that we need to solve. It's a more concept question where we're given that potassium hydroxide reacts with the sulfuric acid to produce potassium sulfate plus water. And therefore, the first part of the question, calculate the amount in moles of potassium hydroxide in 25 cubic centimeters or potassium hydroxide solution concentrated. So here the given actually for potassium hydroxide, they have given us the concentration. Concentration is actually 0.24 moles per deciliter. And also they have given us that potassium, the volume involved, the volume is actually 25 cubic centimeters, which is the same as 25 over 1000 cubic decimeters. So they're asking us here to actually find the number of moles. You know that concentration is equal to the number of moles of potassium hydroxide divided by the volume of potassium hydroxide. So here we're getting the concentration for potassium hydroxide. And therefore, if you find the make the moles the subject of the formula, therefore moles for potassium hydroxide will be equal to the concentration of potassium hydroxide multiplied by the volume of potassium hydroxide. And you just put the what is given here is 0.24 moles per cubic decimeter multiplied by the volume, which is 25 over 1000 cubic decimeters. And this decimeter, that one will cancel out. And therefore what you get is 0. As your volume, as your number of moles is 0.006 moles. These are moles of potassium hydroxide. So this is how we can solve this one. Any comment? Comment. Those who want to comment, you can comment. Any comment? Any comment? Any comment? Those who want to comment, you can comment on how I've solved this one. Here of how we have. Any comment? Any comment? I want to hear on how. Any comments? Any comments? Any comments? I want comments. There are no comments. Any comments? I want some comments on how we have solved this question. Please come. I want you to show me any comment on how we have solved it. Have you understood it? In a comment to acknowledge that you have understood it. Hello? Any comment? Any comment that you have understood it fully? Any comment? I want a comment. Hello? 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 How many participants are there? Hello? Hello? Any comment? Any comment? Comment? Any comment? Any comment? I'm waiting for you. Waiting for your comments. Waiting for your comments. Any comment? Okay, I'm going to continue now with another part of the equation. So here they want us to find the number of moles for for actually sulfuric acid. So I'm going to solve this question here. You are aware that our equation is actually potassium hydroxide plus sulfuric acid. It gives us potassium sulfate plus water. If you balance this equation, it gives you actually that way. And therefore, on the balanced ratio, the ratio on balanced equation, ratio on balanced equation, here we have 2 moles of potassium hydroxide, 1 mole of sulfuric acid, and here 1 mole of potassium sulfate, and then here we have 2 moles of water. And therefore here we have already calculated, so we can look at the mole ratio of potassium and sulfuric acid. Since we want to calculate the number of moles for this one, and this is in the ratio 2 moles, and then this is 1 mole. And remember, here we just calculated the number of moles was 0. If you check here, 0.06. So it's a 0.06 moles. And therefore, what does it give us here? So if you cross multiply, we're going to have 2x is equal to 1 over 0.006. And therefore, your x is equal to 0.006 divided by 2, which is actually 0.003 moles. These are 3 moles of sulfuric acid. So this is how we will solve this question. Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question on how we will solve this question? Any question on how we will solve this question? Any question? Any question? Any question on how we will solve this question? Any question on how we will solve this question? Okay. We are going to now solve the last part of the question. The last part of the question, we need to solve it now. The question is actually here. We are supposed to calculate